Today we are going to talk about one of the most popular vitamin B12 supplements, Neurokind Fast. In this video, I'll explain its benefits, uses, dosage, side effects, price, and how to take it properly. So watch till the end. First, let's talk about the price. One strip usually costs around 20 rupees. All the prices may vary depending on location and time. This medicine is manufactured by Neurokind Pharma, a well-known pharmaceutical company in India. Now, where can you buy it? You can easily get it from any nearby medical store or pharmacy. If it's not available offline, you can also order it online from pharmacy websites with discounts. Now let's understand its composition. This strip contains Methylcobalamin, also known as vitamin B12, in a strength of 1500 micrograms. Vitamin B12 is an essential vitamin that plays a major role in maintaining healthy nerves, blood cells, and energy levels. So what are the benefits of this medicine? If your body has vitamin B12 deficiency, this medicine helps fulfill that deficiency effectively. Low vitamin B12 can cause weakness, nerve problems, tingling sensation, fatigue, and low energy. One of the biggest benefits of this strip is that it helps strengthen nerves and improve nerve function. It supports the nervous system and is commonly used in conditions like nerve weakness and diabetic neuropathy. People with diabetes often develop nerve-related issues over time, and vitamin B12 supplementation may help support nerve health in such cases. This medicine also helps in the formation of red blood cells, which may improve symptoms related to low hemoglobin and weakness. Another important benefit is that it helps maintain healthy homocysteine levels in the body. High homocysteine levels may increase the risk of heart-related problems. Many people with vitamin B12 deficiency complain of tiredness, low stamina, weakness, and lack of energy. Since vitamin B12 is important for energy production, this strip may help improve energy levels and overall stamina. Now let's talk about why this strip is different from regular tablets. This is not a normal tablet or capsule. It comes in a fast-dissolving oral strip form. The strip dissolves quickly in the mouth within seconds, which helps in faster absorption and quicker action compared to some regular tablets. So how should you take it? Simply place one strip on your tongue or inside the mouth. Within about 10 to 15 seconds, it dissolves completely. Usually, one strip per day is taken, but dosage may vary depending on your condition and doctor's advice. Both men and women can take it. Children should take it only under medical supervision. Pregnant women may also use it if advised by their doctor. Now the important question: how long should you take it? That depends on how severe your vitamin B12 deficiency is. Ideally, a vitamin B12 blood test can help determine your levels. Many people take it for 1 to 3 months, but duration may differ from person to person. Now let's discuss side effects. Generally, this medicine is considered safe and side effects are uncommon. However, some people may experience mild stomach upset, nausea, itching, or discomfort. If you notice any unusual symptoms, stop taking it and consult a doctor. Can it be taken with other medicines? In most cases, yes. It can usually be taken along with other medications, but avoid taking multiple vitamin B12 supplements together unless advised by a doctor. When can you expect results? That varies from person to person. Some people start noticing improvement in energy and weakness within a few weeks, while others may take longer depending on the severity of deficiency. Finally, here are some important lifestyle tips for better results. Avoid alcohol and smoking. Reduce junk food, oily food, and excessive sugar intake. Eat a healthy, balanced diet. Exercise regularly. Manage stress and get proper sleep. If you follow these habits along with proper supplementation, you may notice faster improvement. So this was complete information about Neurokind Fast and vitamin B12 supplementation. If you enjoy health and medicine related videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Like the video and share it with someone who may find it useful. See you in the next video.